Hey guys, it's McKenzie Lehmann with Farouk Systems, and I'm so excited to share with you a color transformation using our CHI Bleach and Shine and our brand new CHI Color Master Factory. So the first step is going in with our CHI Bleach and Shine to lighten up her outgrowth. We're going to use our CHI Color Master Factory to get our developer out. Open the door. As you can see, this system is so simple and easy. Everything is right here for you, including if you only just need a little bit of a developer to add to your Bleach and Shine. As we are waiting for our product to dispense, this is the perfect time to prep our client using our bond and seal. Putting the bonding seal on first is going to allow the hair to accept more nutrients and vitamins to prepare the hair for a better lightening process. Bleach and Shine. The CHI Digital Color Blender is the perfect utensil to have in the salon. This makes sure that our colors and our bleaches are mixed up to 100%, therefore alleviating any aggravation that can happen on the scalp. As you can see with our model, we do have the outgrowth that we are going to lighten, but where our color correction comes into place is you can see that she has this fun grown out purple back here. So the first step that we're going to do is apply a little bit of a test patch back here with the Bleach and Shine to see where it's lifting up. It's always important to test strand first because we need to know where we're going in the end and where we can lift up to achieve that. So the first thing that we're going to do is go through her purple piece right here and do a test strand. I choose to do this first because I have the bond and seal. I can go through and spray that on top and allow that processing to slow down once I see the result I'm going to get, or completely stop the processing altogether. The bond and seal is a perfect tool to have in our back pocket. As that's processing, we will go through with the Bleach and Shine and touch up her new growth. Now that it's been about 5 minutes and I have my first quadrant done, I'm going to come over and check the first test strand that we did. Again, using the bond and seal, I'm going to spray on lightly and gently scrape away to see. I can tell now that this purple is going to lift up fairly easily. The only place that there's a little bit of resistance is right there in the new growth, which typically happens. So I'm going to spray this off to stop the processing on the ends and mid-shaft of her hair. And we will continue up doing her midsection and doing her outgrowth with the Bleach and Shine. Now that her new growth is processing with the Bleach and Shine, we are going to go through and lighten up the ends on the purple of her hair. Starting again with the Bond and Seal, we want to make sure that we prep her ends and add that moisture and protein back into the hair. We're going to go through with the Bleach and Shine, and we are just going to apply that directly on top of the purple. We will continue to check this every few minutes to see where the purple is and how it's lightening off of the hair. And when we are done, we'll go back through with the Bond and Seal, and we will make sure to spray it down to slow down the processing or to stop it completely. We're going to let this process at room temperature for about 30 minutes, and then we're going to take her to the bowl to shampoo with our CHI Infra Shampoo and apply the color lock after for 5 minutes. Now that we are done processing for 30 minutes at room temperature, this is where we get to go into the second phase of our project. Let's have some fun and paint on this canvas. Now that we have our sections, it's time to go in and create the toner using our CHI Color Factory. I'm going in with a base of a 10S and adding in some adjustments. I really want to get a nice cool tone to this.
Preparing formula.
This is the perfect time to go in and to prep the hair. Using the Bond and Seal again, I'm going to lightly mist her hair to even out the porosity and to help the color achieve our full saturated look. We're going to be applying the toner all over her hair from roots to end, and then we're going to be applying some fun Chroma Shine on top of the toner to create a really multi-dimensional fun look for her today. Now that the CHI Color Master Factory has dispensed our formula, we are going to place our toner from roots to end. We're going to do this all over the head, and then in this front quadrant up here, we are actually going to paint on top of our toner with the CHI Chroma paint. Now that we have her completely based out all over, we're going to go in with the fun Chroma paints, and we are going to start off with Mango Tango. So now going on top of our Chi color, applying Mango Tango, this is going to give it a tone that is very complementary to an all-over hair color. It also allows us to work a lot faster as stylists and make more money behind the chair. Our next section is going to be with Hello Yellow. And this won't be quite as bright because, again, we are putting it on top of the Chi color, so it will dilute it a little bit, but it'll still give it a really nice bright yellow color to contrast against the orange. And our last section here on top is Oh So Fuchsia. And it's okay if they touch and move in. That's just going to help the colors blend and settle nicely into the hair. Now that we have her Chi Chroma Paint over toner done, we are going to let her process at 30 minutes at room temperature. After that, we're going to take her to the bowl, shampoo with Infra Shampoo, and a 5-minute color lock after to close the cuticle down. So there you have it. Here's our final look that we've achieved today. A quick recap for you. Starting with uplifting her base, we used our Bleach and Shine. Next, we went over to our Chi Color Master Factory and we put our nice light base all over through her in scalp to ends. And we actually painted on top of her hair where you see your pink and your yellow and your orange with the Chi Chroma paint directly on top in one step. We did a quick sleek style to finish her out. I'm McKenzie Lehmann with Farouk Systems. Thanks for joining us today.